Parents tell me so often that when they were on a vacation, they had a complete digital detox. Their children were not allowed to carry their mobile phones or their tablets, and they had such a nice time. But once they are back home, they are again back to square one. They are into mobile all the time, they are into watching TV all the time, and they don't know how to handle the situation and what to do about it. So, parents, there is something very important that I want to share with you here, which is don't force digital detox on your kids. Let them set their boundaries. Let them set their limit on how much time they want to give to the screen, even while they are on vacation. Don't ask them not to get their phones and tablets on vacation because that is only going to backfire. It does not mean that you are letting them do whatever they want. It just means that you are playing an active role in introducing them to new things which can give a serious competition to the screen time. You could engage them in various experiences, whether it is mountain climbing or trekking or kayaking or horse riding. It could be simply playing chess or carom. It really does not matter what is the activity. It could be something as simple as interacting with the guests in the resort. What matters is that they should enjoy something on their own which is beyond the scene. And after that activity is over, don't expect them to just come and sit down quietly without being on their screen. That will not happen. Their screens have been their friends for life. Their screens are something that they have started associating with as an entertainment source, as a source of relaxation. So they would continue doing that, and you don't have to try and control each and everything. Screens are a reality of today's world and the world of teenagers today. Don't expect that to be over very soon. There are 100 ways to get rid of screen addiction, and we can certainly talk about them. But vacation time is not the time to impose all the rules and think that that would lead to a digital detox forever.